Hello everyone, we are excited to present our comprehensive emerging zoo management system, which is a revolutionary solution for modern zoo operations. Before we start, let me introduce our team. My name is MD. I will be the first speaker which do introduction and present the scope and end of our program. Frengky will demonstrate the live system, Jong will dive into the technical architecture, Hayden will showcase the business benefits. Today's zoo face three major challenges, which include optimizing revenue, enhancing visitor experience, and streamlining operations. Our program's overarching purpose is to transform the traditional zoo experience by implementing a modern, convenient, and highly efficient system that serves both visitor and operational needs. Our three core objectives include solve friction point in planning, queuing, and logistic management, achieve financial optimization through dynamic revenue management, enhance visitor engagement through personalization and real-time information. We have built a comprehensive digital platform that handles ticket booking, dynamic pricing, personalized itineraries, food ordering, and complete booking management, which all integrated into one seamless Python system. Now let me hand over to Frengky to demonstrate the system in action.
Thank you, Andy, for explaining about our objective, scope, and aim of our program. I am Frengky. Now we show you how our system delivers an exceptional experience from start to finish. Before we start with the booking ticket, we will check on the pricing of the ticket for the different dates. When you order the ticket, you will get a different price. For example, Monday to Friday, it will be the normal price. Let me give you an example in here. The 1st December 2025, 12 and 1. This is the normal price. Take for example 25 ringgit for the adult. However, if you want to order the ticket for 3 days ahead, you will get 20% price because it's considered as last minute order. For example, it's 28 on the Friday. As you can see, it's considered as last minute and it's more expensive. Moreover, if you order on the weekend, you need to pay extra 25%. Even worse, if you order last minute on weekends day, you will get the total of 45% extra price. As you can see, 28 is Saturday. There's weekend price, the total is 45%. Enough for talking about the extra fee. There's also have 10% discount if you come with your family, 2 adults and 2 children in here. Now we go back to the booking ticket system. First, you need to put your full name, and then your email, gmail.com, and when you want to visit it, I'm gonna choose the cheapest day, 2025 to 1st December. Also, we're gonna choose the package, so 2 adult, 2 children, 1 senior, confirm booking. There's a total of it, 90 ringgit. Yes, we confirm it. We can check on our order in booking history. We just need to put our email we use on the booking ticket. Gmail.com. If not, it will show nothing. So search booking. This is our booking before. I'm gonna copy this booking ID because we're gonna use it in another step. Move on to a feeding schedule. In here, you can see when the feeding schedule for each of the animal is in here. We also put the popularity using the star. Lion and tiger is most popular. However, I prefer penguin, just my opinion. It also has several important information like arrive 10 until 15 minutes before the section, because if you late, you will hard find the seat. Next, personalized itinerary. It's basically like making a schedule. In here, we can choose the duration of how long we're going to stay in the zoo and when we will start it. Usually, people start at 10 a.m. So we're gonna use 10 a.m. First, family. On the left side, there's 5 types of experience that you can choose. First is family fun, the animal enthusiast, relax, education, photos, every of this type having a different schedule. As you can see, this is the family fund. It shows the schedule in here. It's making your own schedule. This is the important tips. And then after you're closing it, you can take a look another. It's totally have a different schedule in here. Relax visit. See, it's different. Educational focus, usually for a research report. Photo focus for a teenager uploading the photo video for his Instagram, TikTok. Back to main menu. For ordering the food and beverage, we need the booking ID, even it's optional. This is the one that I'm talking about, that we need the booking ID. If you don't use the booking ID, it's gonna be so hard when you want to redeem the food. There's 3 types of food and beverage order: snack, drink, and dessert. On the search menu, we can just put the thing we want and it's gonna pop out on the menu. For example, I want ice cream, 2 ice cream, popcorn, I just want 1 popcorn, hot dog, let's put 2, and we order a drink, cola, 3 cola, and then we confirm the order, press yes. This is the one that the next is the full order history and the redemption. This is the one that I'm talking about. Why we using the booking ID in the previous step? Because it's much easier. You just need to copy paste your booking ID in here and redeem the food. If you don't use your booking ID in the last step, you need to type it one by one, these things over here. And then we go back to booking history, ensure that all of our order have been ordered using our email. See, there's 1 popcorn, 2 hot dog, 3 cola, 2 ice cream, and the price, the total cost is different now. Last step, if the customer changes his mind, they can cancel the booking. Just need to put the email they use in the booking ticket. Oh, this is the ID. This is the email. Yeah, and then cancel booking. There's 50% refund. And then confirm, yes. Yeah. That's all from the demonstration and how our program running. I will pass it to Zong, who will explain about the code.
Thank you, Frengky, for passing this floor to me. Now, I would like to highlight the important thoughts behind the features. Firstly, we have the depth of calculate dynamic price. It is a dynamic pricing algorithm that adjusts ticket prices based on the weekend, peak season, booking timing, and adds category. It starts with the best price and increases it during the weekends, peak season, last minute booking, while early bird receive a discount. Additional discounts are available for children and seniors. The system also ensures that the price will never drop below 50% of the base price before returning the final amount. Next, the depth of log data is a function that loads zoo data from a JSON file, and if the file does not exist, it will create a default dataset that contains the animals, food items, base prices, and special exhibit stages. Each animal entry includes their feeding time, habitat, and popularity rating. Default prices for adults, children, and seniors are also included, which is here, along with various food items that are sold in the zoo. After creating the default dataset, the system saves it as a JSON file for future use. Besides that, the depth of the generate itinerary is a function that generates a personalized zoo itinerary based on the visitor's preferred experience, such as family fun, animal enthusiasts, relaxed visit, educational photos, and photos. After the user selects and often the system feeds the machine itinerary generator to build a plan. This algorithm also includes a function that calculates the timing of its activity by starting from a chosen time and adding up its activities during the session until the total schedule is full. This ensures that the visitor will receive a properly timed schedule that fits within the available hours. Additionally, this part of the program handles the full detect booting process that includes several layers of input validation to ensure accuracy. It checks that the user enters a non-empty name, a correctly formatted email, and a valid visit date that is not from the past. Once all the information is confirmed, the system generates a unique booting ID based on the current date and time. It also creates a complete booting record that contains the visitor's information, ticket details, total cost, and the booking status. Finally, the depth tensor booting is a function that manages booting cancellations and calculates the total refund based on how many days remain before the visit. If the cancellation is made in 7 days in advance, the visitor will receive a 90% refund, while cancellations made 3 to 6 days prior to the visitor will receive a 50% refund. Any cancellation within 3 days of the visit will result in no refund. The system then displays the refund amount and explains which rules were applied. Now, that's all for me. I'd like to pass the next part to Hayden.
Thank you, Jones. Now let me translate these technical capabilities into tangible business benefits. Revenue optimization offers dynamic pricing, increasing revenue by 20 to 40% during peak periods. Integrated food ordering adds 15% to average transactional value, and group discount encouraging larger bookings while maintaining profitability. There's also visitor experience enhancements, which offers personalized itineraries, reducing decision fatigue and improving satisfaction scores. Feeding schedule integration ensures visitors don't miss key experiences and streamline booking processes, which increases conversion rates. The third benefit would be operational excellence, which offers automated pricing eliminating manual rate calculations, persistent data storage ensuring no lost booking or revenue, and comprehensive management which reduces staff workload. Lastly, competitive advantage. No other system combines dynamic pricing with personalized planning in this integrated approach. We estimate about 30% higher revenue per visitor and 50% reduction in administrative costs. Our system transforms zoo operations from manual processes to automated revenue optimizing excellence. Let me summarize our value proposition. We deliver three key outcomes which increases revenue through intelligent dynamic pricing and cross-selling, improve visitor satisfaction through personalized experience, and improving operational efficiency through automated and reliable data management. Our features include advanced dynamic pricing algorithm, AI-like personalized itinerary planning, robust JSON data persistence, comprehensive booking management, integrated food ordering system. Why choose our system? We have not only built a booking system, but also created a complete digital transformation platform that will position your zoo as a leader in visitor experience and operational excellence. We believe that this system will bring significant investment returns and change your operations. Thank you for your time.